Here's the April 4th trade recap. Let's get right into it. I took 2 trades today with my new strategy because it's actually insane. It's actually insane, bro. Alright. Oopsie! Alright, so we got the London high. I just waited for it to get swept. Boom, got swept. I'm on a 1 minute time frame. Then I entered off the breaker structure to the downside somewhere. Wait. Yeah, it was right here. I entered and I targeted where is that? A 1-to-2 risk reward ratio. Yeah, I actually messed it up, but that's why it did. It got hit. It got hit. And if I targeted what's it called? A way bigger ratio, like let's see. If I targeted a 1-to-10 ratio, that would have got hit without getting stopped out, bro. I could have made 10x the risk, bro. Yeah, but like we're trying to play it safe here, buddy. That was back testing. And here's the other trade I took. It's basically the same thing. London liquidity. We swept it, break structure to the upside, stop below the sweep, target 1-2. Yeah, it got hit, bruh. Yeah, it got hit, bruh. Yeah, it got hit, bruh. And actually, bro, if we had a 1-to-6 ratio, that would have got hit. I might slowly start increasing my ratio based on results, but like, this freaking strategy is so good, bro. Super Idol, dun 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 dun. Alright, see you guys.